Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to view your Momo or card payment history. Now Keepsales allows you to process mobile money transactions and card payments from your customers. And so because of that, there's a section created that allows you to view all the mobile money or card payments that have been made to you. So let's get to it. So we click on the main menu, you locate Momo and card payments over here, we click on it, and then you click on payment history. So it brings you over here. You are able to see a table that contains all the information concerning all the payments you have received, and then there's a start portion. So you see over here total payments received, the amount paid to Sumundi. Sumundi is the parent company, that behind Keepsales, and then your net earnings. So what this means is that for every payment that is made to you, whether it's mobile money or card payments, there's a percentage that goes to Sumundi. Now that percentage is 2.5%, which is like the standard, whether it's the card payments or the mobile money payments, that is the charge for every transaction that is made. So like I said, you're able to see the amount that goes to Sumundi, and then the amount that is eventually going to be yours. So now when you click on filter records, you are able to filter by transaction ID, which is here. For every transaction, a transaction ID is generated, and then by payment channel. So if you want to only see payments for mobile money, you can click on it, and then there's the start date and the end date. That's the interval you want to view those payments under. So you can select that, and then you click on filter records. So when you click on filter records for mobile money, you're able to see only transactions under mobile money. And now if you selected a start date and an end date, you're able to see all payments under those particular dates. Again, same way you are able to also filter payments that are just for card. So this is how the payment history works. This is how you view all mobile money or card payment history on here. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. Do have an amazing time, and bye bye.